Okay, so now with Auntie we're going to make Shahi Paneer. And Shahi Paneer is really one of my favorite dishes, so I can't wait to share this local recipe with you. The first thing that we're going to do though is to mix, again, it's a fresh paste that we're making. So in here we've got some tomatoes, some onions, some ginger. We've also got some garlic as well. Now this kind of quantity is for around 10 people. So you can get an idea of how much quantities you need. So 5 tomatoes and 7 onions, like small, medium-sized onions, 7. And then ginger and garlic is according to your taste. So we're gonna give this a quick whiz. So let's whiz this. Hi guys, you're joining us. We are learning how to make Shahi Paneer.
Yummy.
Yeah, Kiara really likes paneer. Prepare that, give that a quick whiz. Now our paste is ready, so you can just have a look. It's all whizzed up. That's ready for the sauce. Over here they love to cook in Kadhai because Kadhai is it's the sort of basis of how they cook Indian food, and it gives that flavor, nice flavor as well. Okay, so the first stage is the oil. So we just put some oil in the Kadhai. Now we're going to start with the spices. So ye kya hai?
Hing.
Hing. Okay, so hing, I think it's asafida in English. So I'm going to add a little bit of hing. Hing kyun acha hota hai?
Hing acha hota pet wet ke gas ke liye.
Yes. This is a great thing that they add in all most of Indian sabjis for the gas, or for, you know, because some vegetables can give you gas in the tummy. So this is to avoid that. So good for digestion. Okay, so the hing goes in there. And then we have again the coriander powder. Oh no, ye kya hai? Ye hai jeera. So cumin seeds, sorry. Cumin seeds go inside. There we go. And now the paste, the fresh paste that we have made is also going to go inside. Look at that bubbling, that's nice. You can already start smelling the beautiful fragrance. And there is your tomato sauce that goes inside. Tomato, onion. Ah, look at that colour. I just love the colour of Indian food. Look at this. And this is all fresh. We haven't used any canned food or anything like that. It's all fresh vegetables, fresh food that's going inside there with lovely spices. Okay, so you're going to keep mixing this mixture for about 10 minutes. This is so that you can get all the beautiful flavors inside. And we're now also going to start preparing the paneer. So now the sauce is getting ready. You can see the color is already starting to look even a bit more red. And now we've got the paneer over here that Mina auntie is cutting. So we're going to cut the paneer into nice slices. Paneer is basically made of milk. It's the cheese, the remainder of the milk. You can make it by putting lemon inside the milk, and that kind of separates the cheese. Okay, so now we're just you got to keep waiting to make sure that this is turning more red. You want the color to really come out. We're going to also put a bit of Kitchen King. So this is a spice, MDH Kitchen King. So a spoon of that. It's a mixed masala powder that goes inside there. You can really start to see it. Look at that. So you only put the paneer inside there once all that beautiful curry paste is all coming together. And now we can see the paneer all going inside. Oh, that's great. Look at that. So it's beautiful. All that paneer is inside now. तो ये कितनी देर के लिए अब करोगे?
10-15 minutes.
Okay, so now in about 10-15 minutes your Shahi Paneer will be completely ready to eat. And I think she's also going to put a little bit of cream inside as well.
Just hold it.
Ah, look at that. Now the colour's changed to an orangey, nice colour with the cream. Plus now you're just going to wait 10 minutes and then that's going to be ready.